I do feel like we have a lot to do and not a lot of time.
We got a lot of toys over here. This could eat a lot of time.
The other problem with this is anytime we had Becky and Buddy versus Duff, we lost. Call me superstitious, but whenever Becky competes, we lose. Better not be bad Christmas luck. Our design is gonna be a rocket-powered sleigh. The back of my sleigh is gonna have a bag made out of cake overflowing with toys. I think this piece is gonna break the Becky curse.
Right now I am making a basketball. So I'm gonna add some texture to this ball with a rolling pin that has, like pretty much replicates the texture of a basketball. And then I'll add the black stripes around it.
I hope we can finally break the curse of Becky for her sake. Because Becky wants to win.
It doesn't look like a basketball to me.
So what I'm learning is it's not really a Becky curse, it's just that you don't try very hard.
So we want to do the bag, we'll color it in.
Let's make it gold.
What's that?
Let's make the bag gold.
A metallic gold Santa bag.
It'll definitely have a lot more pop with the gold. The gold is gonna go really nice with this Christmas theme. Red, green, gold, purple.
Yeah, I think just straight across. Nice. Making some folds. Looks great. It looks really good.
Straight, straight. Good. Oh, perfect, good.
Oh, that's as nice as you can get it.
Slow. Straight. A little more, a little more, a little more. Good.
Stop.
Okay, buddy, come forward.
All right, Mo, that's good.
Cut the wheel this way. Okay, bring it inside. I would try to go a little left with the bear if you can.
She's nice and big.
She's perfect.
You want me to start touching up the gold?
After. I like that. I like that. That looks really cool. So we got 1 minute left. Come on. Finishing touches.
That's so cool.
Let's put all the lights on, bud. Good job. Good job, boys and girls.
Okay, the team who conquered Christmas is Buddy!
Becky, you're staying in the group.
Hey, we finally broke the Becky curse.
Oh, you broke the curse, Becky.
Broke the curse. But you know what? I knew there was no curse. Becky's amazing. She's part of our family, part of our team, and we love having her. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys.